If you are updating Windows 11 and it is stuck at 27%, then here is what you need to do. All you have to do is simply wait. Sometimes it may take up to 1.5 hours or 2 hours. Now, depending on your system, if you have an older system, it will take a lot longer. So simply wait, and eventually it will progress forward to the next stage, because during at 20%, it could be processing a large file on the background. That's why it may take some time. So be patient. You may want to wait for a few hours before you click on cancel or restart your computer. Usually these updates often stay stuck at certain percentages, especially at 27%, 40%, or 60%, etc. for a while, and then it jump forward to 40% or 41, 45%, and so on. So since if you notice that it's progressing, then just simply allow it to finish, or just simply wait. Do not cancel yet until you wait for at least a few hours.